Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is go to tradingview.com, sign into your account, and then head on over to the charts or super charts. Then once we're in the charts, we can go ahead and scroll down. So we're going to see the chart here, and below that it's going to say connect through our trusted brokers. So basically what we want to do this to make this easier, just go ahead and click on this line and just expand it up like so. Then from here we can go ahead and manually find it. So try and find Vantage here. On my screen it's near the bottom, but we can do a search, find broker, and type in Vantage. And then from here, click onto Vantage. Now a little box is going to appear which is going to allow us to connect to Vantage. So we want to go ahead and click on connect. If you don't want it to remember you, click on that box. So click connect. Now it's going to take us over to the vantagemarkets.com where we can sign into our account. So now basically put in your email and password here and then go ahead and click on connect.